In this video, I will show you how to install the free open source sound editor and recording software Audacity on Windows 11. Welcome to Joey's Tech, my friends. Now, the first step to install Audacity is to open any browser. I am going to use Google Chrome. You can use any software you want. Over here in the search, you are going to type Audacity and hit enter. At the top of the search results, you are going to find this website www.audacityteam.org. I want you to click on this link. That is going to take you to the official Audacity software website. Okay. You may want to accept these cookies as well. There is no harm. Now you can see a download button over here, download Audacity 3.7.1, but it is going to download Audacity software via Musa. But we are interested in downloading the Audacity application without Muse Hub, so we are going to click on this link over here. And since you have accessed this website from Windows, hence it is going to download the installer for Windows only. So let me click on this, and you should do. All right, it's asking me in which folder should I download this installer. So I'm okay with downloading this Audacity installer in my downloads folder. So I'm going to just click on save. You can choose any folder you want. I'm going to click on save, and you can see that it has downloaded the installer, which is a .exe file in my downloads folder. Now to install Audacity, you are going to click on this installer. All right. It's asking me to select the setup language. I want it to be English. Let me click on OK. And we are at the Audacity setup wizard. Okay. And it says this will install Audacity 3.7.1 on your computer. So all you should do right now is to click on next. And then there is this agreement which says Audacity is free open source software for recording and editing sounds. You can read it if you want. And after that, you can click on next again. All right, it's now telling you where it is going to install Audacity. So for me, it is C drive program files Audacity. I am happy with it. I want Audacity to be installed within my program files folder, but you can click on the browse button and choose any folder you want. So after you have chosen the folder in which you want Audacity to be installed, you can click on next again. It wants to create a desktop shortcut. I'll be okay with it. And it is totally your choice if you want a desktop shortcut for Audacity or not. I'm going to go ahead with it. Now, I am again going to click on next. Finally, the install button appears on the wizard. Now you need to click on install. And there you go. The installation has begun and it ended in a flash. Alright, it says launch Audacity. Let me click on finish and it must launch Audacity. There you go. You can watch these release videos if you want. It's going to tell you what's new in Audacity 3.7.1. I'm going to close this window and there we have our Audacity software. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install Audacity on Windows 11 from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.